Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my January Boxycharm unboxing. First Boxycharm box of the year. If you guys want to find out with me what's in my box this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the theme of the box this month is breaking the ice. I got the box number 5. And then the weight of my box is 1.22 pounds. And then let's see the first thing. Ooh. Oh, I actually think I actually have this. This is from Too Faced. This is their Diamond Light Fire Highlighter. Let me see, I can open this up for you guys. I actually think I had this and ended up decluttering it because I found it a little bit too powdery and not creamy. So this is a highlighter. It's a full-size, beautiful highlighter. And this is actually like a really, really pretty color. But I just found that the formula was like a little too dry for my liking. So I will be passing this along because I've decluttered it once, so I don't need it back in my collection. But that's definitely a higher valued item. This retails for $36, so it's the same price as like a full-size palette. I don't think that I've gotten products from Too Faced and Boxycharm before, so even though it's not something I personally want, I am excited to get Too Faced in this box because that means maybe there'll be more from them down the line. All right, so next up we have something from Dr. Brandt. I love getting products from them. I really, really like this brand, and this is a retinol eye cream, so I'm so excited about this because I run out of eye creams very quickly. I just ran out of my nighttime eye cream from Fresh, their black tea eye cream, and this is one with retinol for nighttime. Let's see what kind of, because usually I just have like eye creams that are in like little jars, but this is a squeeze tube, I think. Yes, so it's a little bit more hygienic, and this comes with, this is full size, so it's a ton of product. Let's see the price on this, $55, so it is very pricey as well. I really like this brand. I love it when I get skincare brands that I actually know, use, and like to purchase. So next up I have something that I actually really like and ran out of, so I'm excited to have a refill of this. This is the Grande Drama Mascara from Grande Cosmetics. This is an awesome mascara. It has castor oil in it to help your lashes grow. It's a really great mascara when I'm not wearing falsies. This one is one of my favorites. This one, the Dry Bar Mascara, and Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Those are my favorites for a ton of volume and giving you like that falsies effect. All right, so here is a look at the wand. I like that it's one of those like spiral ones, so you can keep layering up the mascara and it's not going to get clumpy. I like this for bottom lashes as well. It does a really good job of separating your lashes, and this is something that I actually like needed to get a new one of, so I'm excited to have it again. This one costs $25, so standard price for a high-end mascara. And then next up we have, this is a sleeping mask. I love sleeping masks. It's an 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask. And the brand is Avant, and it says shea butter. It says a bunch of ingredients on it. I've never heard of this brand, but I do love sleeping masks. I actually prefer to get sleeping masks, overnight masks, more so than like a mask that you wash off in 10 minutes because I am kind of a little bit lazy about those. Like, I love them, but it's I don't use them as regularly as I want to. So let's see the consistency. It's just like a thick overnight moisturizer. I want to see, yes, definitely very, very thick, and it basically just smells like floral, almost like a laundry detergent, like a very clean scent. So I'm definitely gonna try that out. I want to see the price on that because I've never heard of that brand. Oh my gosh, I always get skincare products that are super expensive from brands I've never heard of. So this is $107 for this little squeeze tube bottle. It's kind of hard for me to believe because this kind of looks like a hotel lotion, just like run-of-the-mill random, but it is actually $107. All right, so lastly I have a product that is very large. I actually thought this was like a body wash, a full-size body lotion, or something like that. It is a micro exfoliating face scrub from the brand Skin & Co. I have never heard of this brand. It is cruelty-free, and it's a regular face scrub. This is so huge though. This is like a Costco sized face scrub. So this retails for $28. So it's actually not that expensive compared to the other skincare product, but that's kind of like random to get. I actually got 3 skincare products in my box this month, a highlighter and a mascara. I always like to get at least one, but that's a lot of skincare in this box. I'm really excited for the eye cream, especially because I've heard of the brand. I'll use a sleeping mask, but I don't know. We'll see about this. So here is a texture of the scrub. It's basically like a creamy cleanser with like little micro exfoliating beads. It's definitely not like super thick like the St. Ives scrub or anything like that. It's not like a really harsh scrub. I don't know how often I will end up using this. It's a huge product and kind of random. So it also says that the scrub contains apricot seed powder. I don't know how different that is from a walnut scrub or like the St. Ives apricot scrub or anything like that. I don't know how safe that is for your skin. Let me know. It seems like a lot more gentle than those products. Like it doesn't seem like super harsh. Now I have scrub all on my hands, but let me know if you guys have any information on that. I do want to look that up because I don't know if that's like supposed to be good for your skin. So I do want to know that before I start using it. But that is everything I got in my box. I feel underwhelmed. I wish I got more makeup. I feel like I would just be happier if I got one more makeup product in my box, since I got a lot of moisturizers, basically. All skincare, a makeup product that I'm not going to use, and one that I already know that I really like. All right, so the total value of my box this month is $251, and that is all because my little sleeping moisturizer here is $107, which is a value of a whole box in itself. I just want to recalculate that one more time because I feel like that is very pricey. Yep, definitely $251. So it's definitely a very high value box because of the skincare products. But a lot of times I get boxes that are like half the value of this that are a lot more exciting. So I'm kind of let down. I really am excited for the mascara that I already know that I love. And then the eye cream. That's really the only things that I'm like super excited about. I'll use the mask. I'm going to give away this because I already know that I didn't like the formula. And this is just so big and random. Definitely could have replaced that scrub with a lipstick and eyeshadow, something like that. I think it would have made the box so much better. Definitely let me know if you guys ended up getting a ton of skincare in your box as well. I'm looking back at the theme of breaking the ice. Okay, so I guess maybe a theme of like staying hydrated for winter. Maybe break the, I have no idea. Nope, no idea whatsoever. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys ended up getting in your boxes. I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm, so I'll link that below. Otherwise, you can go to the Boxycharm website to sign up as well. And yeah, that's gonna be everything for my box. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.